V Mariboru se letos odvija četrta konferenca Circular Change, to je mednarodni dogodek osredotočen na krožno gospodarstvo. Zdaj smo že četrtič zbrani in v 2 dneh se bo zvrstilo več kot 500 predstavnikov iz 20 držav. Imamo 50 mednarodno uveljavljenih govorcev in fokus letos je na 3 sporočilih. Povezovanje med generacijami, podjetja, gospodarstvo, kako se oni vključujejo v krožno gospodarstvo in Slovenija v kontekstu Evrope in sveta, kaj lahko pokažemo, kako lahko sodelujemo. V 4 letih, kolikor zdaj organiziramo konferenco, se je situacija ne samo v Sloveniji, ampak tudi v Evropi in svetu precej spremenila. Če je bila to od začetka tema vezana predvsem na predelavo odpadkov, nekako na gospodarjenje z njimi in na nekaj, kar naj upravljajo nevladne organizacije, to postaja jedro poslovanja, to postaja jedro razvojnih strategij mest, držav.
We really believe that cities have an important role to play for circular economy transition. Cities are part of the problem because of producer of pollution, the demand of energy worldwide level. They produce solid waste and with this the percentage will double towards 2050, but they are also part of the solution. They invest. They are responsible for 60% of subnational investment, and there will be lots of chances to make infrastructure more circular in the future.
The circular economy will definitely change the future of our industry because we are a byproduct. You either use it or lose it, and therefore harvesting waste and making that in the efficient and using it in an innovative way is a very important element, and that's also why we're here today in Maribor to try to find partners to collaborate with to find a sustainable, high-quality biogas initiative together for the future.
Circular economy, the concept of sustainability is captured in our strategic objectives. So we have basically 4 strategic objectives, and one of the 4 strategic objectives is sustainability. And our concept is that it is not something that is a side of our business, but it is deeply ingrained. And we have a concept which is called from barley, which is the primary raw material for producing beer, to bar. And all along that journey, we have sustainability objectives in each aspect. So for the barley, for the way that we process the raw material, for the way that we dispose it, for the distribution. So we have targets for all of those things which are really integrated into our business.
Vsekakor je izjemno pomembno, da se zavedamo, da smo v zadnjih desetletjih zadolžili prihodne generacije tako v okoljskem kot v socialnem smislu in da je treba na nek način pripraviti program, v katerem bomo sestavili medgeneracijsko pogodbo in zelo resno in temeljito naslovili ta problem, ker je to edini način, da rešimo nekatere vprašanja, ki se danes pojavljajo skozi prebijajočo se mlado generacijo, pa tudi skozi ljudi, ki se celo v razvitih državah kot v Franciji upirajo razslojevanju in stvarem, ki so se zgodile v zadnjih desetletjih in so šle preprosto predaleč.